We have some little kids on a bike. I really do like this riding position. Let's see if I can get around him. Hi. 33.9, 34.1. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another electric bike review. This is the latest from Jasion. It is called the Retrovolt, and it is marked way, way, way down in price. Is it worth your money? It offers 75 Newton meters of torque, a top speed of over 28 miles an hour, and a 68-mile range. We're going to take it out of the box, we're going to take it for a spin, and as always, we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. We're going to let you know if this is something that you should be riding around your neighborhood. Have you noticed what I have not revealed yet? Look at this. Yep, this is a different style electric bike with a very, very nice paint job. This is really, really gorgeous. So I've saved the best for last, and it is time now to reveal just how nice this is, okay? I'm going to be careful not to scratch anything. Here we go. Here we go. And one more right there and right there. Are you ready? Feast your eyes on that. Yes, I think this is such a cool paint job. It is actually called Flame Black. You have your huge saddle right here, and if you want to take a rider, put them right back here. You can get another pad for this. And if you'll notice, right here, they already have pegs for their feet. That is amazing. I'm really, really excited about this electric bike. Time for the good stuff. Other than that, which I think is so very cool, let's talk about what you get in the box. Okay, you have a battery charger right there. You get your owner's manual, and you get some tools. They say this is 85% complete or pre-assembled, which I would agree with. Absolutely. I think it was so easy to put together. Now let's talk about the specifics. You have a 1200 watt motor with 75 Newton meters of torque, 29 mile per hour top speed. Right here is a 48 volt, 13 amp hour battery. It's going to take you 6.5 to 7 hours to charge. The battery provides a range of 68 miles, and they say you can go up a 25-degree hill on this thing. It will carry 450 pounds. So you can be a very very large person, and this will take you wherever you want to go. This is the dual seat design, as I told you about right here. You have the front fork, which is right there. You've got a headlight, you've got a tail light, and I've just noticed dual suspension. So there's your pivot point right here, and you have another shock right there. So this is going to be a very, very comfortable ride. This is a high carbon steel frame, and these, of course, 20-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant tires right there. And you have the brakes. They are mechanical brakes. Those are the rotors right there. Here's how you turn everything on, which I think this is really, really cool. You have turn signals, believe it or not. You have turn signals. I'm going to adjust these. We're still going to kind of work on everything right here. You have the lights. You have your horn. Let's turn it on first. There we go. Now let's see if it's pre-charged. Here it is. Look at that display. Look at that, 98% charged. It already comes in miles per hour. There's your pedal assist, 1 through 5. You got your odometer. You can switch that out, and just in case you're not spoiled enough. Look at that, sequential turn signals. Turning left and turning right. All right, well, with that being said, I'm going to spend some time on it. Then I will take you guys on a ride with me, and then we're going to grade this. So cool. Okay, we're going to grade this on fit, form, and function. I cannot wait to get on that extra long, extra wide saddle right there. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, less than 80 degrees, and I am on one of the coolest bikes I think I have been on, and I'm very excited about what lies ahead. Okay, this Retrovolt is pretty cool. I've got everything adjusted. Basically, I just had to move this up a little bit so I could see this a little better. Once again, we have turn signals, we have the horn right here, we have a light, and we have our trusty Shimano 7-speed gear system. We have our drive. We are in passenger assist 5. I don't know if you can see there are other kids out riding their bikes too. So we're just going to go have some fun. So let's go down. We'll go down to 3 as we start her out and just see what she's like. "75 Newton meters of torque here. And this is a fun little riding position. I'm not crouched over like I am with other bikes. This long saddle is really kind of nice. Test the brakes. Okay, that's good. All right. Well, let's do some pedaling. 3rd, 4th, 5th. Oh, this is great. This little Shimano setup is nice. I'm gonna put my hat on a little tighter because it is windy, but it is a beautiful, beautiful day. Can you see the speedometer? Okay, this is the suspension test. We're going to test the dual suspension in this very cool looking electric bike. Okay, so this road is terrible. I go the same route so I can compare all these bikes. Okay, let's just see how this one does. So we're going down here. This is about 16 miles an hour, which is a good speed. 17. I can feel the front fork working, and right over there I can feel the back half of the bike giving a little bit, which provides for a really comfortable ride. This is really bad right here. Yeah, okay. Nice. All right, what do I say at this point in the video? Every time, if you can afford a dual suspension, buy the dual suspension, just like this one has. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's a definite pass. We're gonna go up to pedal assist 5. Oh, she likes to turn too. Okay, now this is all bike. I get to relax. Anything above 12 is great. We're testing the battery, testing the motor, testing the torque. We're going 17 miles an hour, 16.7, 15.2, 13.6 right now. So anything above 12 is passing 12.9 and 13. We're bouncing back between, well, there's 12.9 right there, 12.7, come on, 13, 12.9. She's past this. Not the fastest bike, but certainly not the slowest at all. So 75 Newton meters of torque is about an average for electric bikes, at least the ones that I've seen, and I probably reviewed 40 or 45 of them, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so that's a definite pass right here. We have some little kids on a bike. Let's see if I can get around him. Hi. He was warning his sister about me. There you go. Happens all the time. No, I'm kidding. Totally kidding. All right, let's use our turn signal. Let's do a little pedaling as we go up this hill. Oh, I got to turn off the turn signal. Yeah, you got to remember to turn off the turn signals. And with the battery helping us here, this is easy. I really do like this riding position. When I stood on the bike, just standing there, I thought the saddle was going to be too wide. But it's perfect once you're on top, because it kind of thins out towards the front of the saddle, which is perfect. So you can slide forward and backward until you get the perfect position. So here we go, 25, 26, 27, oh, she likes, oh, 29, 30, 32, 33, 33, 9, 34, 1, 33, 6. Woo! All right, this is a nice 31.5 right here. Okay. I felt pretty steady at 30, 32 and above, so that's a good sign. Sometimes these bikes, you get them at the high speed and you can kind of feel some wobbling. It's like when you're driving a car and it kind of feels wobbly at around 75 or 80. You know, your tires aren't aligned or they're not balanced right. This one seems to be balanced and aligned. Nice. Okay. Now this motor I can hear a little bit more than on some of the other ones. The tires though are very quiet. Let's use our turn signal. Oh, that was the horn. That's a loud horn. Turn signal off. Let's just pedal. We'll kind of go down. 6, 5, 4, 3. This is a nice gear system. I rarely have to adjust the Shimano's. They really are nice right out of the box. Ooh, got a lot of red trucks. Here we go. Taking down some trees, I guess. Yeah, here she goes. Nice. Yeah, the hum on the motor is a little louder than on other bikes, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. The brakes, I can kind of hear the brakes. These are mechanical brakes, so these are easily adjustable. Going over the speed bumps, you feel the suspension. So this is 22, 23. Yeah, okay. I'm loving this saddle. I can go all the way back here. Can you kind of see? Or I can scoot all the way up here if I wanted to have a passenger. Now on the very far back of the bike, you can add a pad for another passenger. And they already have the pads for your feet, your little step pad. Which is great. You can buy that online. You can get a basket or whatever on the front. You can turn this into any kind of a bike you want. But no matter what you add to it, it's gonna look cool. I will say, 18 to 20 is where she's really comfortable driving. And I love this suspension. If I've already talked you into a Retrovolt, they have the price marked way, way, way down right now. Normally, it's a $1,799 bike, $1,800 but now they have it marked down to less than $1,000. It's $999, which I think is a fantastic price for what you're getting right here. Dual suspension, 75 Newton meters of torque. You've got a motor that is 1,200 watts. I had to check my notes right there. So I do think the price is certainly worth it. And it comes in 3 different colors. You can get this awesome looking flame black. They also have what's called a silver and black gradient, which is cool. And then they have a blue version as well. I just put those pictures up there so you could take a look at all 3 colors. We're gonna get this bike back to the house. We're gonna give her some grades, and then we're gonna tell you how you can find out more information about this very cool Retrovolt electric bike from Jasion. We are going to grade the Retrovolt on fit, form, and function. Fit the way it came out of the box. The company says it is 85% pre-assembled. I would agree. This was a very, very easy bike to put together. Very few pieces had to go together, and it was a lot of fun doing it. So that's an easy score to give. It was packaged well. It was protected well. So we're giving it an A for fit. Form, the way the bike looks, well, once you get the bike out into the sun, you can see that the paint right here, not the stripes or the flames, okay? The actual paint itself is a fleck paint. It's gorgeous. There's purples, there's gold, there's some blues in here, and a red, like a burgundy. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous paint. I love this huge long saddle. Like I said, you can get another pad right here so you can take even more riders. You could actually almost get 3 people on the bike if you were smaller. I think that's great. I love the labeling right here and the fact that you get these little foot pads so you can take riders with you. Okay, that is a great addition. Very nice battery. It's just a good looking bike with turn signals even. So form, yeah, absolutely. We're going to give it an A+ for form. Function, the way the bike performed, was I smiling when I was on the bike? Yeah, it's a good bike. 75 Newton meters of torque. It's kind of an average amount right now, and torque is the power that it has. Torque is what carries you up those hills. I like more torque. I had a bike with 110 Newton meters of torque, but it was more expensive. So 75 meters is a great entry level number. It is going to take you wherever you want to go. So don't be afraid of that at all. Plus, you're going to pedal, you're going to have fun, and you're going to get in shape. You have a very, very cool LCD screen right here. You have all your functions right here. You have your Shimano gear system and a horn, a light button right there. And once again, those turn signals. I think it's great. So we're going to give it an A for function overall. Yeah, this bike gets an A. We're going to have more information in the description box below so you can check out your very own Jasion Retrovolt. Like I said, it comes in 3 different colors, almost 3 different styles, I would say, because they look completely different. And I would recommend you go to the website and check it out. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching this electric bike review. We're back with another one very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye.